Tesla may build its next gigafactory, or at least one of the next gigafactories, in the Middle East, besides Asia Pacific, just like Lucid is building a gigafactory in Saudi Arabia. In this report, I'm going to tell you why, and in this report also you're going to learn Elon Musk breaking his silence on gigafactory India and clarifying why he will not manufacture Tesla cars in India. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Meghalayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. In Meghalayan Bureau, Meghalayan.com, an Indian publication, there is an interesting article explaining why Elon Musk will not manufacture cars in India, and in that report they talk about Tesla diverting its attention from India to Middle East, and the team that Elon Musk's Tesla hired for India has been diverted its attention to Middle East and Asia Pacific, and no wonder we just heard the news about the negotiations of Indonesia and Tesla about a gigafactory and battery plant. Breaking his silence on India plans, Elon Musk has said that Tesla will not manufacture cars in India unless it is allowed to sell and provide service to its electric vehicles. On Starlink, he said that SpaceX is still waiting for the Indian government's approval. Tesla will not put a manufacturing plant in any location where we are not allowed first to sell and service cars, Musk tweeted late on Friday. And this makes a lot of good sense, right? Why would you be manufacturing if you're not allowed to sell and service cars? He responded to a user asking about the company's manufacturing plans for India, and he finally broke his silence. Responding to another follower on Starlink, he said, "We are waiting for government approval." Union Minister of India, especially Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari, keep on making a beeline, according to the Meghalayan, to Musk to come and manufacture electric cars in India. The team Musk hired in India last year has now been diverted to focus on the Middle East and the larger Asia Pacific market. Regarding the Asia Pacific market, you already heard the news, and I've reported it several times about Tesla possibly building gigafactory and battery factory for its electric cars in Indonesia. And the relationship is warming up there. There are visits going on, and also the government officials have said that the negotiations are ongoing and they're responding quickly. But for Middle East, if things go this way, down the road we may see another gigafactory somewhere in the Middle East. Where? Dubai? Possibly. Saudi Arabia, just like Lucid? Maybe. I don't know. Where are the supplies in the Middle East? If you know, guys, if you have any ideas where Tesla possibly may build its next gigafactory in Middle East, it has to be something close to port for transportation. But I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, please. The move by Tesla appears to be a retaliation, says Meghalayan, as the Indian government has not accepted the demand by Elon Musk to reduce import duties on Tesla vehicles. From Telangana Minister for Industries K.T. Rama Rao to Maharashtra's Minister and the state NCP President Jayant Patil, several Indian leaders have made repeated appeals to Elon Musk to bring Tesla to India, but no avail. During the Raisna Dialogue 2022 last month, Gadkari said that if Elon Musk wants to manufacture in China and sell Tesla cars here, it cannot be a good proposition for India. Our request to him is to come to India and manufacture here. We have no problems. The vendors are available. We offer all kinds of technology, and because of that, Elon Musk can reduce the cost. India is a huge market and offers good export opportunities too. Musk can export Tesla cars from India, he told the audience. Earlier in February, Gadkari had said that Musk has to manufacture in India first in order to roll out Tesla cars on the roads. Musk had tweeted that he faced challenges from the government for releasing its products in India. Tesla isn't in India yet due to challenges with the government, he posted. Currently, India levies 100% tax on the imported cars of price more than $40,000. Inclusive of insurance and shipping expenses, and cars less than $40,000 are subject to 60% import tax. Musk has said that he wants to launch cars in India, but the country's import duties on EVs are highest in the world by far. Meanwhile, SpaceX satellite internet service Starlink is available in 32 countries, up from 25 countries reported earlier this year. In India, the government had told Starlink to stop booking and rendering the satellite internet service in the country without a license. Sanjay Bharwara, India director of Starlink, stepped down earlier this year amid the government pressure. The Elon Musk-owned company also informed some individuals in the country that it will refund their pre-orders. So what do you think, friends, about Elon Musk breaking his silence on India and also diverting the India team to Middle East and Asia Pacific? Middle East sounds very interesting. I would like to hear your thoughts. This is Meghalayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up if you found this report helpful. Have a blessed day.